Hey guys, so I'm going to walk around the London Motor Show with this sign and see who wants some free driving instructor advice. Let's do it. Free driving instructor advice. Who wants some free driving instructor advice? Oh, you guys do. Have you started revising?
No, I just wanted to do the driving lesson first and then.
Okay, cool.
So that I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, it's a good idea to do them both at the same time. So if you're learning theory and driving, then you'll learn stuff in the app and you'll also see it out on the road as well. How's it going? Good. What's your name?
Jeremy.
Jeremy, okay, cool. How can I help?
I just need help driving, isn't it?
Okay, have you got a provisional license?
Yes.
Okay, have you done your theory test?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so the next step is going to be to start driving. Have you got a driving instructor?
Yes.
Yes? And how far have you got with them?
30 hours, listen.
30 hours. Okay, so you've covered manoeuvres, roundabouts, yeah, fast roads, small town roads.
Emergency stop.
Emergency stopping.
Yeah.
Have they put you in for your test already?
No.
What's the hold up? What do they say still needs working on before you take your driving test?
Just needs to be more confident, isn't it?
More confident?
Yeah, more confident, more relaxed. Because you know sometimes when you're shifting gears, you're like a bit stressed.
Okay,
yeah. Mainly, you know, when you're turning, you have to reduce the gear and you have to come by itself, check the mirrors.
Okay.
You know, it's a bit like you have to come naturally. When you're looking, when you're forcing it, it's a bit hard.
You have to do it out of habit instead of just because your instructor's told you to, right?
That's it.
Okay, so you'll build it up. Just keep going, keep persevering with it. Ultimately, if you feel like you're ready for your driving test and your driving instructor doesn't, ask why and say, what do I need to work on? If he's trying to hold you back because maybe, I don't know why, maybe you want to get on to get licensed and find another driving instructor. But as long as you trust him, trust his decision, he's a professional, he knows what he's talking about, yeah? Free driving advice? How old are you exactly?
16 since February.
16 since February. Okay, so when you're 16 and 6 months, you can apply for your driving license. So have that ready. And then, once you've got your driving license, you can take your theory test bang on when you're 17. So if you apply for your theory test to be on your 17th birthday, and you're revising all the way through 16 and a half to 17, you might be the youngest person ever to pass your theory test. Wouldn't that be cool?
Is it the same in Ireland?
Oh, you're from Ireland? Yeah. Yes, the same. On the computer? Republic or?
Republic, yeah.
Okay, same in Ireland. On the computer, you do 50 multiple choice questions and a hazard perception. Roman's a ledge. 16, nearly gonna drive when he's 17. Cheers, see you Roman.
I'm going back to the States soon, it won't do me very good over here.
No roundabouts, making it easy for you guys. Turn right on the red light. What the hell?
Everything's on a grid.
Free driving advice?
What about
Advanced driving test. Yeah? So you've got a driving license already?
Oh yeah.
And you want to take an advanced driving test?
I'm thinking about that, yes.
ROSPA or IAM?
I haven't got a clue.
There's a couple of advanced driving tests out there. One's called ROSPA, Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents. They do an advanced driving test, or IAM, Institute for Advanced Motorists.
That's the one.
That's the one?
Yeah.
Okay, they've got a really good one and they'll give you a certification. You can even take that to your insurance company and they might give you a discount. Might do. Depends which insurance company you go to.
I know that, but it's more about knowledge.
Yes.
The older you get, you start to forget things.
Yeah.
So,
and it's great to have that piece of paper to say to people, hey, I'm an advanced driver. Yeah. So
especially when the police are pulling you up to say that you did this and
that's it.
You know what I mean?
So if you go to the IAM website, they'll show you IAM approved driving instructors that can teach you the course that they're going to test you on. So they basically take you on a drive, they get you to do a commentary, so you commentate as you're driving. I can see a road sign, I can see blah blah blah, and I'm going to do this about it. I'm approaching a pedestrian crossing and I'm going to check left and right, check my middle mirror and see what's coming. You have to commentate on your drive as you're driving. You have to do some other stuff like manoeuvres, but your driving instructor will coach you and teach you exactly what you need to do for that IAM advanced test.
Okay.
It's a good thing to have. How old are you? 15, 2 more years to go. How about you? 14, 3 more years. Free driving advice? Okay.
More about the driving, because I just got my provisional driving license.
Awesome.
I'm looking for doing the definitive one.
Okay, have you got a driving instructor?
Not yet.
Okay, what you need to do is go to Get Licensed and find your local driving instructor.
So it's called Get License.
That's it. I'm going to give you a flyer. Free driving advice? Have you got a driving license?
No.
You haven't? It's never too early to start revising some theory stuff. So, what are you guys doing to practice your theory test?
I do have a
The book? Like a paper book? Okay, cool. Paper books are great, but since the theory test changed and it became more electronic, so there's multiple choice questions, there's also hazard perception stuff to learn. Have you heard of the hazard perception test? Okay, cool. So there's an element on the theory test where you'll have like a dash cam footage and you have to click the mouse when you spot a hazard. So that'll be something like a pedestrian walking out in front of you or a car door opening. Anything that's going to make you stop, slow or swerve your car. You have to be able to identify and recognise that hazard. So learning from a book is great. You're going to take in a lot of information, but it won't let you practice everything that you need to do for the theory test. The best thing that I recommend is getting an app on your phone so that anytime you're on the bus, pull it out, do some revision. You'll have the questions. You've got the app. Which app have you got?
I don't know.
Okay, so the best app to use is probably the DVSA one. There's other ones on the App Store or Google Play Store that you can find. They'll have multiple choice questions, different stuff that you can revise and read up about. And also, all importantly, it'll have the hazard perception test clips. So you can watch some dash cam footage and spot hazards coming up. And it will coach you into clicking at the right time. Guys, London Motor Show 2019, it's been a blast. I've spoken to so many cool people and I've seen the most amazing cars. Can't wait for next year, and hopefully the Lamborghini is going to come along with us too.